her love derailed along the way that she had for me. Somehow, someway, I gotta get off of this train before it crashes and burns. 'Cause I just don't want to be called a businessman. Well, her love hit me like a freight train, then it derailed along the way. Sooner or later I got to go. Sooner or later I got to go. I don't want to be stuck on this train when it crashes and burns. Well, her love hit me like a freight train. Well, her love hit me like a freight train, and it derailed along the way. Now it's gonna crash and burn. I gotta find out when this train's slowing down, so I can jump off before it crashes and burns. 'Cause I don't wanna get hurt. Well, her love hit me like a freight train. Well, her love hit me like a freight train. Well, her love hit me like a freight train. Well, her love hit me like a freight